This is my informative speech, and this is my audience. A federal appeals court said Monday that President Obama could not move forward with his plans to overhaul immigration rules by providing up to 5 million people with work permits and protection from deportation. Obama wants to stop the deportation of certain individuals, which would allow these people to in turn stay in the United States and work illegally. President Obama plans to appeal the federal court ruling at the Supreme Court level to carry out one of his key initiatives for his second term as president, which is the new immigration laws. And today I will tell you about the specifics of the federal court's ruling and President Obama's immigration plan. The Fifth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ruled in a 2-1 decision that President Obama could not carry out his plan to change immigration laws. The two judges that ruled in favor of stopping President Obama, Judge Jerry E. Smith and Judge Jennifer Elrod, agreed that Obama's plan would be very costly and would undercut the will of Congress. They agreed that the states would be harmed by new costs for issuing driver's license to immigrants. Judge Carolyn King did not agree with the other two judges. She agreed with President Obama, but she based her argument on the limited resources available to the Department of Homeland Security for removing illegal immigrants. The Department of Justice spokesman Patrick Rodenbush spoke on the issue, and he said that the Department of Justice disagrees with the Fifth Circuit's adverse ruling and intends to seek further review from the Supreme Court of the United States. However, the lawyers representing the Obama administration thought the ruling would not be in their favor because a large number of the judges were Republican. And according to Caldwell, it is unclear when the Obama administration will file its appeal with the Supreme Court and whether or not the Supreme Court will take up the case. Obama's immigration initiative for his second term as president was aimed to marshal government resources and advance public and national security goals. Before his plans even had a chance to go into effect, 26 states challenged them. In President Obama's new immigration plans, he wants to prevent illegal immigrants with American children from being deported. He wants them to be allowed to work and receive benefits in the United States. This process was called Deferred Action for Parents of Americans and Lawful Permanent Residents. In his new immigration plans, President Obama also wants to prevent illegal immigrants who came to the United States when they were children from being deported for 3 years and to allow them to be eligible to apply for work authorization. This process was called the Deferred Action of Childhood Arrivals. Today I told you about the specifics of the federal court's ruling and President Obama's immigration plan. President Obama plans to appeal the federal court ruling at the Supreme Court level to carry out a key initiative in his second term as president, new immigration laws. The Obama administration said Tuesday it will ask the Supreme Court to save its plan to shield deportation of millions of immigrants living in the country illegally.